Zev University celebrating 25 years in business, business executive and high-performance mindset life training. Welcome and come run with us. C.W. Zev, CEO of Zev University, BA in Marketing, Uppsala College of New Jersey, certified in NLP EQ, 25-plus years of sales management C-level, 20-plus years of business ownership, 20-plus years of corporate training, mentoring, and coaching, author of the 90-10 Rule of Selling, creator of the Focused Mind Training programs, studied personal development and self-growth under Mr. Bob Proctor. Welcome to Zev University's Executive Training Programs, a cutting-edge initiative that has evolved from its roots as Coach 37 LLC, a renowned corporate sales training firm established in 1998 in the vibrant city of New York, New York. Since its inception, Zev University has undergone a transformative journey, emerging as a leader in high-performance executive mindset training. At Zev University, we understand that true success is not only achieved through acquiring skills and knowledge, but also by cultivating a powerful mindset. Our programs are designed to enhance personal and professional growth by targeting fundamental aspects of individual development, including mindset, habits, daily routines, and your paradigm. Over the past quarter century, Zev University has been at the forefront of transforming corporate cultures and enhancing individual performance. Our high-performance mindset training has left an indelible mark on a prestigious clientele, including Fortune 1000 companies such as Poland Spring Water Company, Remax Realty, BMW Cars, Ford Motor, Dunkin' Donuts, ShopRite, Burger King, Uber, and many others. Through tailored programs, we have empowered sales professionals and executives across various industries, fostering a culture of success and achieving lasting results. Key pillars of Zev University's executive training programs. High-performance mindset. Training. Our core philosophy revolves around fostering a mindset geared towards high performance. We believe that success is not just about what you do, but how you think. Through our meticulously crafted training modules, we empower individuals to adopt a mindset that drives excellence in both their personal and professional lives. Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP. Zev University integrates the principles of neuro-linguistic programming to facilitate profound transformations. NLP is a powerful tool that explores the relationships between neurological processes, language, and behavioral patterns. Our programs leverage NLP techniques to reshape limiting beliefs, break through barriers, and enhance communication skills. Emotional intelligence, EQ. Understanding and harnessing emotions is a critical aspect of success in any field. Zev University places a strong emphasis on emotional intelligence, EQ training, empowering participants to navigate social complexities, manage stress, and build strong collaborative relationships. Developing emotional resilience is a key component of our executive training programs. Subconscious mind mastery. We dive into the realm of the subconscious mind, recognizing its profound influence on thoughts, behaviors, and outcomes. Through our programs, individuals learn to unlock the potential of their subconscious mind, fostering positive habits, and instilling a lasting commitment to personal and professional growth. Why choose Zev University? Proven track record. With a history dating back to 1998, Zev University brings a wealth of experience and a proven track record in facilitating transformative learning experiences. Expert faculty. Our faculty consists of seasoned professionals, thought leaders, and experts in the fields of mindset training, NLP, and emotional intelligence. Holistic approach. Zev University takes a holistic approach to executive training, addressing not only the technical skills required for success, but also the crucial elements of mindset and emotional intelligence. Customized programs. We understand that every individual and organization is unique. Our programs can be tailored to meet specific needs, ensuring maximum relevance and impact. Embark on a journey of personal and professional transformation with Zev University's executive training programs. Elevate your mindset, unlock your potential, and redefine your path to success. About your actions. Absolutely, self-image and mindset play pivotal roles in shaping the trajectory of one's life. At Zev University, we recognize the profound impact that these elements have on personal and professional success. Our 7-step program is meticulously crafted to guide individuals through a transformative journey, fostering self-awareness and empowering them to respond effectively to their environment. How do we assist our clients? Improved communication skills, enhanced leadership skills, conflict resolution, increased self-awareness, stress management, goal setting, team building, assessment. It's essential to assess the specific needs and goals of your company's executives. Customize. Customizing the training to address specific challenges and opportunities to maximize its impact on performance improvement. Our 7-step principles are the foundation to all of our executive training programs, from sales and management training to NLP, EQ mindset training. These 7-step principles are scientifically proven to enhance our thinking, change our actions, and improve our final results. The Focused Mind Training program is a work of art, and we are sure you and your team will see the results immediately once the training is put into action. Zev University's 90-day Executive Mindset Training programs, where we specialize in equipping leaders with the essential skills of emotional intelligence, EQ, and Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP. Our programs are designed to empower executives with the tools and mindset necessary to navigate the complex landscape of leadership with confidence and effectiveness. Week 1 to 2, Introduction to NLP and EQ. Overview of NLP principles and techniques. Introduction to the core concepts of emotional intelligence. Initial self-assessment to gauge current levels of NLP and EQ skills. Week 3 to 4. Communication mastery. Deep dive into NLP communication models. Verbal and nonverbal communication skills enhancement. Practical exercises and role plays to apply communication strategies. Week 5 to 6, self-discovery and EQ self-awareness. Exploration of individual strengths and weaknesses. Emotional self-awareness activities and exercises. Establishing personal development goals related to NLP and EQ. Week 7 to 8, building rapport and relationships. NLP techniques for building rapport. EQ and relationship management. Team building exercises and real-world application of skills. Week 9 to 10, emotional regulation and resilience. 1. Techniques for managing and regulating emotions. 2. Stress management strategies. 3. Mindfulness and relaxation exercises. Week 11 to 12, NLP in leadership. 1. Applying NLP in leadership and decision-making. 2. EQ and leadership effectiveness. 3. Case studies and discussions on successful leadership models. Zev University's 90-day training programs are designed to be comprehensive and multifaceted to create teamwork. Zev University offers online training. This involves video lectures, interactive modules, and digital resources. Online training allows participants to access educational materials at their own pace, providing flexibility for individuals with different learning styles and schedules. Conference calls. Incorporating conference calls with a focus on interactive and real-time communication. These calls are used for discussions, Q&A sessions, and virtual workshops, fostering a sense of community among participants and providing opportunities for engagement with instructors and peers. Written assignments. Assignments are a crucial component of a training program as they require participants to apply the knowledge they've gained. Written assignments could take the form of essays, reports, or other written assessments, helping to reinforce learning and assess participants' understanding of the material. Tests. Periodic tests serve as a way to evaluate participants' grasp of the material and their progress in the program. They also help identify areas where additional support or focus may be needed. What's the ROI and KPI? Productivity. Improved productivity is a major goal of our training programs. Organizations may measure increased output per employee or reduced time to complete tasks. Employee performance. Assessing improvements in individual or team performance is crucial. This could include metrics related to meeting targets, achieving goals, or producing higher quality work. Retention. Our programs contribute to employee satisfaction, and skill development can positively influence employee retention, reducing turnover costs. Cost savings. Zev University training can lead to cost savings by reducing errors, improving processes, and optimizing resource utilization. Innovation. Our training programs focus on fostering creativity and innovation. Measuring the impact on the development of new ideas or products can be an indicator of success. Customer satisfaction. For customer-facing roles, improvements in customer satisfaction and loyalty can be tied back to the effectiveness of Zev University training. These results may happen to business without NLP, EQ, poor employee morale, ineffective leadership, limited team collaboration, inadequate customer relations, difficulty in conflict resolution, resistance to change, fixed mindset, limited innovation, risk of burnout, difficulty in attracting and retaining talent. These results may happen to business with NLP, EQ, positive work environment, effective leadership, enhanced team collaboration, customer relations and loyalty, effective communication, innovation and creativity, adaptability to change, open mindset, talent attraction and retention, conflict resolution, improved negotiation skills. Zev University is offering for a limited time the following special packages. Executive EQ NLP 90-day training program at $1,195 per employee. Executive Sales 90-day training program at $1,395 per employee. Executive Subconscious Non-Real 90-day Mind Mastery program at $1,195 per employee. It's time to take action. We are at the final stages of the presentation, and I'm sure you would like to get started, but may have additional questions. So, let's have an open conversation with a Q&A period. To get started with one or more of Zev University's executive mindset training programs, or if you have any additional questions, give us a call in the office toll-free at 1-888-226-5051, extension 701. You may also visit us on our website at www.zevtraining.com. We look forward to working with you and your team and improving your company's overall performance. Thank you.
To get started with one or more of Zev University's executive mindset training programs, or if you have any additional questions, give us a call in the office toll-free at 1-888-226-5051, extension 701. You may also visit us on our website at www.zevtraining.com. We look forward to working with you and your team and improving your company's overall performance. Thank you.